Alright, let's learn you how to multi-stream. It's really easy. It's not that hard. It's just follow this video. I looked it all up for you. So first thing, you gotta go here. I left this link in the description. You click on the download. It takes you to over here, and the thing is here, you need to update your OBS for this to work. No, okay, listen. It's you just gotta bite the band-aid and pull off the bullet on this one. Do it now, and then I'll never ask you to update. Just do it, okay? Listen. Scroll down here until you find this one. Windows installer. That's the one. You do that one and you download it and shove it in there, right? And then you gotta restart your OBS, okay? Restart it. And then what you should see in here is this one. Flight on the Fönster, you know? And you go down to, this is the new one you should have on, oh shit. This is the new one you should have. It's a multiple something or other in English. Click on that. I have it right here, but you can move it, but if you have it here, it's like start, you can start them at the same time. It's fucking convenient. This is what it looks like this. Okay, so you create a new one, and here you name it like fucking YouTube, and then you okay, listen, everyone has had this wrong. Any other tutorial says it is stream keys right here. There's no fucking stream key here. They're all lying, it's all new. I'll teach you the stream key is here now. Here's the stream key. You take this, you copy that shit, you put it in the stream key one, and then you go back here, take this one, that one. You put right in there in the URL, you know, just get them in there. And press OK, and that's it, good to go like this. It's just that easy. And then when you stream, you just click on the stream one and the start YouTube one, and you're good to go. Now here's the important thing. Since you mainly stream on Twitch, you can't make like scheduled streams here. You can only do this if you're mainly on YouTube, but you're not, so whatever. You just know you can't make scheduled YouTube streams. This is the whole thing, don't worry about it. But you need to, so this is the one, when you click the stream, when you click this one, start YouTube button, this is the one that's gonna, whatever you have here, on this one here, whatever you have here, that's what's gonna be live. So before you start, you gotta make sure the title is correct, make sure you have the description you want with the links that you want, you know. Go down and have the thumbnail and change. I used to always do the streams in educational because my opinions are change it to gaming. Put the game in that you're playing like fucking Postal, and then you're good to go, you know. Just make sure this is set up before you click that button, alright? That's how easy it is.